Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi. So guys, in this video, I would like to talk about my new assignment from Semantics subject, and that is about lexical meaning. So, lexical semantics is the branch of linguistics which is concerned with the systematic study of word meanings. Probably the two of most fundamental questions addressed by lexical semantics are how to describe the meanings of words and how to account for the variability of meaning from the context to context. Also, lexical meanings refers to a sense or meaning of a word or lexeme as it appears in a dictionary. Lexical meanings deals with the language lexicon or the collection of words in language. So, what is argument structure? The argument structure for a word can be seen as the simplest specification of its semantics, indicating the number and the type of parameters associated with the lexical items as a predicate. For example, for the verb build can be seen as representing as predicate of taking 2 arguments, while the verb give takes 3 arguments. Selection can be employed to solve the problem of polymorphism, where the same lexical item can be appear in the multiple syntactic context, as illustrated as I said. First, Mary began to read the novel. Mary began reading the novel. Mary began the novel. General lexicon theory handles such examples by the use of semantic selection and canonical syntactic mapping rules, specifying how semantic types correspond to syntactic expressions. For example, we can see in here, the head open has an argument structure which induces the obligatorily one argument position, theme, and optionally 2 more, agent and instrument. This argument structure explains what the sentence have in common. The argument structure of open is usually indicated as in A or B. Next, we are moving to derivation. So, derivation in descriptive linguistics or traditional grammar, the formation of a word by changing the form of the base or by adding affixes to it, such as hope to hopeful. It is a major source of new words in language. In historical linguistics, the derivation of words is its history or etymology. In generative grammar, derivation means a sequence or of a linguistic representations that indicate the structure of a sentence or the linguistics unit resulting from the application of some grammatical rule or set of rules. So, combination process are also used to form a brand new word, which add to the English vocabulary. Some examples from recent years are speed dating, yes, and smartphone. So we can add more complex word from a simpler one by adding a short element at the beginning or end. We call the beginning with the prefixes, and we call at the end of a word with the suffix. Another word forming process is conversion, where a word is shifted to a different word class without adding any elements. This means it is used as a different type of word. For example, eyes is usually a noun. It is found of in combinations like an eye, blue eyes, or to refer a thing or things. But through conversion, it can also be used as verb to indicate an action, such as she eyed them suspiciously. Other processes for forming words include clipping, where words are shortened by removing syllables, such as laboratory into lab, or Christopher into Chris. Also, blending. Blending is where 2 lexical bases are blended together, such as breakfast and lunch become brunch, or gigantic and enormous become generous. And the last is initialisms, made up of first letters of a series of words, such as frequently asked question become FAQ, or laughing out loud become LOL. That's all from me today. I hope you are enjoying my video. I hope it is beneficial for you and for me too. Uh, the last I said, thank you so much for watching. Oh yeah, solidarity is our life. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.